One other thing that you mentioned in this chapter that I thought was real interesting is you've noted that some insurance companies have a team approach to adjust injury claims. And I think that this is something really that we need to cover to talk about the different claims adjusters that are going to be working on your case. So what is the team approach, and how do we prepare for a situation like this?
Yes, the team approach to adjust injury claims. Some insurance companies have different teams you can contact in the phone queue. For example, you can contact Team 1, 2, or 3, and so on. In fact, some insurance companies have stopped using telephone extensions for their individual adjusters altogether. The first person you now reach on the phone is a member of a team assigned to the specific claim. This is done so no one in particular can be held accountable for specific conclusions or actions, namely settlement claim value. If the insurance companies can eliminate the human element or human heart in the claims review process, then it can potentially better increase their profits by standing firm in lower claims payout than letting a jury trial make the decision for them. But personally, I think it's a bad approach because it becomes increasingly difficult to speak to the assigned claims adjuster on the file. And sometimes the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing with the team approach concept. So in my view, the team approach is really just another mechanism the insurance companies are using to be mechanical. Again, like you had mentioned earlier, take the human element out of the review process so no one can accept responsibility for the claim being handled. And also that ties into deny and delay the claim even further. So, yeah, the team approach, in my opinion, is not a very good way to go with some of the insurance companies that are using it. And not all of them are using it, but some of them have started using those more and more. Yes, against the chiropractor in the program. But a lot of times when you use a chiropractor and you sandwich that chiropractor with a medical doctor, primary care physician, it actually adds more value to the chiropractor if the chiropractor we're treating and the injured person had no medical doctor to state that the chiropractor was reasonable and necessary. So human error would have to be with the medical documentation of the doctors, and they are, when they're not properly documenting all the symptoms and complaints that should be there in the demand package.